In this video, I'll show you SA underscore DirectX 2.0 in GTA San Andreas for a clean and modern graphics upgrade. Check my video description for this graphics mod link. And once download done, right click on the RAR and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. No stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select Open File Location. Before doing this mod, back up your San Andreas folder. Copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the analyze folder, open the single player. Depends on your PC spec, you need to choose the folder and then drop these files inside. Replace the file in the destination. Once this done, go back, open the bonus version, then drop all these files inside a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. Go back and open the depth of field. Then drop this ENP series folder inside of a game folder. Go back, open the optimizer, then drop this win10 and drop these files inside. You need to right click on the ENB and select show more options. Send it to desktop create shortcut. You need to launch the game using this shortcut. For that, to documents, open the GTA San Andreas user files. Right click on this GTA underscore SA.ct. It's like delete option. Once you're done, right click on the game and select open file location. Now you need to right click on this enb series.ini and select edit in notepad. Check my video description for this text. Copy all these text. Right click and copy. Once you copied, paste it in this ini file. After pasting this, select file and select save option. Stuff here and launch the game through this desktop shortcut. Once you are in game, go to options, go to display setup, advanced, set all settings to max, then go back and start the game. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare this graphics mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.